Yo! Try it out here, try it up. Alright, well, not the way.
Check that runway. The back of it up here. Yeah? The tractor is gonna push it up on the truck body. Alright? Use the chain, man. Use the chain and tie and dry back so. Come forward, come forward. Come forward. Yeah? Alright. I'm not.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my viewers, it's all about putting a next truck on a next truck. So the grader lift up that body, up in the air, and then this truck reverse underneath. You know what I mean? Yeah, and then the tractor carry it down onto the body of the truck. So stick around, guys, to see what's coming next. How they gonna put it up, you know what I mean? Yeah, watch what's going on. Yeah man, these guys are very skilled, you know. Yeah, as you can see. Whoa. Yes, you know what, come in. You know what, night. Okay. Yes, bossy. Truck driver that, you know. Anna. Yes, I. All right. Yes, I. See what's going on with viewers. See what's going on, guys. It's all about putting a chuck on a chuck, you know what I mean? Yeah? These guys are very skilled, man. So, them going to straighten up that chuck body, the yellow one, so that it can push up on the back of this one. Yeah. So watch what's going on. Very skilled. Yeah. Crampy is the driver of this what we call it here? What would I call this now? Whoa. A grader. Yeah. The grader. Yeah man. Alright, look, the grader is gonna pull it to this side. Or put it in the air. Whoa. Whoa. Yes, my viewers. This is what's going on. Oh yeah, it a itch by the chuck body. It a itch by the chuck body. You want to go up? Yeah, but come up here so and carry it up. Come up here so and carry it up, man. Yeah, you have to come here so first and carry it up, carry it over. Yeah, my viewers, stick around to see what's coming on. Alright, yeah, come to the driver. Yeah, as you can see, a light is flashing inside of the tractor here. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, you have to lift it over. Up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. Yeah, we need the back of it up here. Yeah. Yeah man, like the flat piece of chassis there. Yeah, eh. Put you over there, sir. Right. You want to come to you, carry to you now. Reverse. Reverse, yeah. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, it come over the little bump, you know. So, yeah, time for it to push on now. Whoa. Alright, it's time to carry the back end to this way now. Yeah? So that it's straightened up with the back of this truck here. Yeah, man. For real. Yeah, very clever, you know? Yes, I. What you mean, man? Honor and respect. Yes, my viewers, they don't know it's all about Jamaican farmers, so don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe to the channel, you know what I mean? But at this time, yeah, it's all about moving a low boy and a next low boy, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright. Alright, Crumpy. Yes, Crumpy. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, carry it this way. Well, come on. Whoa. Yeah, man, take time, come. Take time, come. Yeah? Yeah, the chain, where the chain tie pull off? It a go bust off, where the chain tie? See tear off there. You have to lift up this end now. The tractor have to lift up this end. Yeah, and carry it up. In good time, man, in good time you carry up. And go back way. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. If you could have gone around that side, it's much easier. It's much better. But the truck could have gone out more. Yeah, man, make the truck go out more. Oh. Oh, push it. Oh, it couldn't move it. Did I skid? Alright now. The tractor have to go on the other side now to lift it, to lift that side up on the bump of the truck body here. Come on, put in your chain inside there. Alright, my viewers, the tractor is going around the next side. Yes, side. Yeah, man. Tractor is going around the next side to see what's going on, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's all about this side here. You know, we need to get that side up. Yeah? Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers, so soon as it's straightened up with the truck body, yeah, the tractor is gonna push it up on the truck body. Alright? Yeah, man. Alright? So yes, my viewers. Alright, just gonna give it a little lift so that it can go over fully on the back of the truck. Yeah? It's all about machine against machine, you know. Yeah? And man, I use them brain, you know what I mean? Seeing. Yes, I. Alright, my viewers, look what's going on. Turn it up in our ear, yeah? It's here now, Wally. It's here now, Wally. It's here now, Wally. Man, it's here now, Wally, down, you know. Oh. Itch. Oh, yeah, you want to go back? You want to go back, so? Yes, my viewers. It itch. It have to go draw back. Use the chain, man. Use the chain and tie and dry back, so. No, man, out this, so. You have to carry back, so if you come out from underneath and then carry up. I've got tie chain pan it. Yes, my viewers. They are alive in living colors, you know? Yeah? Alright. Alright, watch your bucky. Watch it when it come from underneath it. Look when it come from underneath. Crampy. You want to come back, you know, Crampy, you want to come back. Yeah, you want to come back. You want to go back. You want, yeah. You have to go back, so. Right, carry back now. It itch. Crampy. It itch underneath, you know. So you have to go back here. You have to go back, so. And then you go up. You know, so they chain the whole, you know, they chain the whole crossway. That's why now I go back to you, because I chain whole. Yeah, man, the whole. The chain whole.
Tricky.
You don't believe so that whole?
And this a chain a little room.
If you come back clean out with east from underneath there now.
Hold on.
Everything I move. Everything I move.
That was just jar, yes, also. So I have to just go to back now.
Yeah. Emergency. Huh? Yeah, it pull, it move. It move, yeah. It move, man, it move. Yes, the viewers, go around tonight. Lock you up. Put the back in there, sir. Right in. Yeah? Right up there now upon it. Sure.
No make sense to touch yourself, so black one.
Yeah, man. Yeah. This have to go up first. You have to carry up. Yeah, before you come over. Before you come over. Yeah, man. You have to go back and carry up. How it stay there? You clear? Yeah, man. Push you over now. Push it forward. Yeah? You want to go up? Up now. That is what's going on, my viewers. Over. One more, yeah? All right. Carry back to you. Oh, there are bullpins. Oh, bullpin kill clear, man. They're in between the two bullpin now. Yeah, man, they're in between the two bullpin, you know. No, I have to go pull the chain now, because I go push up. Or truck come back forward underneath it.
Yeah. Yo. Line up the back.
Make it straighten it. Yeah, you want to go back. I see one open space here, so you know. Yeah, man, that's real. Real, man. Yeah, I want to go over a little bit more. Alright. Think that good. If I come and draw the other end now. Yeah, my viewer. So you don't know it. You might go straighten this now. Make sure say it's straightened with that chop over there. If you need have a little height I can go up and I'll show you. Yeah? Let me see something here if I can give you the view. I'm gonna straighten it up with that truck body, alright? Yeah. Yeah, man, so you don't know. You can stay to see what's coming next, you know what I mean?
Come back.
Yeah, man. Machine against machine, but the man them use them brain, you know? Try set it away. The real man. What do you mean? Yeah, man, that can. I want one big machine that to be careful, man, the fire. Yeah, right. Yeah, man, I want big machine that one. A cannon, you saw a cannon. Yeah. Tell them to watch. You have to watch them chassis there, no man, they bust the tire. You bust the side of the tire. Tell them to watch them. Watch the end right here, watch the end. Alright. Going to bring it to this end, right? Watch what's going on, my viewers. I feel the same to straighten it and then push up it. Yeah. Yeah, man. For real. It couldn't slide off. Yeah. Come back tonight. Come back tonight. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Yes, maybe it was. Yeah, man, see you next train there. Tie and dry back this side. And then I push up it. Straighten it first. Yes, maybe what? It's all about putting a next truck and a next truck, you know what I mean? Yeah? This one is not driving. Yeah? You don't know? It's all about machine against machine, but man, I use them brain to put it up here. You know what I mean? Yeah. As you can see, the chassis of this truck. So it have to straighten up with that body there before push it up on it. The real man. Yes, I. So it's gonna tie it from here and then pull it back this end. Yeah? Yeah, man. Up, lift up. Yeah, lift and pull. Lift and pull. Lift and pull. Alright, he's making a better tie up here. It's all about man against machine, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, I. Alright. Time for the tractor to pull it this side now. Yeah. Make sure it line up with that other truck body. Now man, you don't want to come out more. You good? Okay.
Hey, we don't go on the boot. Don't go back on my eat, making go on more.
Right.
But you know, man, that is the point. But you try down here. No. Try down here. Try it up. All right, hold on. Take your double change the back down here.
Tractor run away. It's about 15 feet, 20 feet in the air. Yes, I. Yeah, man. Right, that's what the thing there. Yeah? Oh.
Come.
Forward. Yeah. Yeah, go on the other side. You reach the other side. You can't go down there. Yeah, unless you can reach from the outside. Reach the other side. Skill like that. Yeah, man. Don't forget to go do. On this side. Yes, sir. Oh, tie around and hit it. Which in the first link you catch?
Alright. Tie down and just wrap it through. No man, wrap it through. You can hook it there, sir? Tie, just tie.
Just give him a time, he can't come out, yeah.
Up there.
Up with your hand, Crampy. And come forward, come forward. Come forward. Go forward now, go forward now. Yeah. Look at the super lips of metal. If I want some metal where you can't go past. Eh? You not go back? Oh, you have to go up. If you go up, right enough, you know. You can't go up. You can't go up more. You have to go up. You have to go up. Up, up. Up. Little bit, little bit. Little bit more, little bit more. Go forward now. Forward, forward. Forward. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So, guys, so, who want to go back to center now? You know, make this company. Yeah, man. Because you want to come back to center now. Alright. You know, you know what chain again. You can't come back.
And lift up me.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Pull out the chain now.
But you have to come down.
Pull the chain now, you know. Hey, chain them. Pull out the chain now, man.
And then chain here, then chain here.
Back one. Yeah, pull it out, pull it out.
You not go sink. Two of them, man. Yeah, man, so you can go on like back here so now. Yeah. And carry up. Yes, my viewers, this is what's going on right now. Yeah. I show them everywhere now, my viewers. Everything I show them. Yeah. This phone is very heavy, you know. It's an Alcatel phone, very heavy, you know. So most time it gives me a fight. Alright, your turn. Yeah. Yeah. It's easy, you know. Yeah, man, let's watch behind that. All right, hold past space today, man. Yeah? Easy. Up. All the way you go. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. Right ahead. Take your time, see you, man. Ricky, come out while I can't see you. He said, come up, little more. Come up, little more. Come, go on. Yeah. Aye, easy. Easy. Tight chain on there, so tight chain on the side there. Yeah, man, tie the side before it move. Good, man.
Why not eat that?
Good man, in good there, sir. Good there, sir, man. In good there, sir, man. You don't know where it's going again. You can't come push back here so little. Yeah, man. One little part tight come out on this side. So you could have to push back little. Yeah, right. You go tight now still. Yeah, Lego now, you're good. That good, that's so crampy. And then you straighten it. Yeah man, that one push over more. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah, Crampy. Give the people my phone number no man. That is the grader and the bulldozer driver, you know. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah man, it's the bulldozer driver, you know. That man drive all the big units them, you know, in our place, you know. Yeah. For real. So if you want your land to plow, that man a check. If you want your truck to put on the next truck, yeah man, that man a check, you know what I mean? Yeah man. That man is the operator of all the big units. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. So yes, my viewers. It's all about the truck and the truck. Yeah? Everything is complete here, alright? Going to carry it down on the road now to get it straightened up. Yeah, the grader is going to straighten it up how it's supposed to. And then guys, them gonna train it down, you know what I mean? Yeah. So yes, my viewers. Alright, it need 2 more rim with tires, so them gonna put it up. Yeah? For real man. It's all about Jamaican farmers, so it's all about farming, but you don't know, sometimes if you put on a little now and then. Yeah? For real. That's how I think set up my people. Yes, my viewers. For real man. Go back in our bush there. But I think you can push on here, sir. A big space that man. Alright, 2 feet left run about there. You know, can't pass just a crumpy driving, man. Yeah, but you just come sideways and push on it. Eh? You gonna just come here, so, and just take time push back S and push it back, so. Alright, watch what I go on. Crumpy that, you know, man. Yes, my viewers, you want a car if you buy my viewers, I sell a car, you know. You want to buy a bad car, you know? Yeah man, a bad car, see it can play a race, yeah? You see it? A 4 years me I drive truck for you, man. A 4 years me I drive truck for. Me. You see it go easy. Yeah, that man with the plan, you know, that man is the planner. Yeah. Alright, watch right, so lift. Yeah. Yeah, go up now underneath it. Go up now underneath it. Tell him when he's center. Tell him when he's center. Over some more. Yeah. All right. I'm not. It's all about training now. Time to train it down, you know. Make sure it don't move when driving. Oh, sit up on the wheel what the man them want, you know. What you say? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? I like a snake boy, man. Don't move yet. I want to go up. You have to ease up little first. Yeah, go up now, go up, tilt you up. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah man, throw them over. Machine against machine. Then go over more with it. Go over a little more with it. That's then go over in the middle. Oh. Go back a little what? Yeah, yeah. Be careful now, watch, you know. Watch that in place. Chuck, driver. Let's have a go now. Oh, you mean? None of that me I talk about. I'm going to talk to you there, Ricky. What do you mean, my viewers? Long time, ready. Go on road and our time down. Yeah man. Watch yourself, you know, youth. Your skill like that, alright, cool. Yes, viewers. What? How you mean, man? Wow. The real man. Yes, my viewers. Yeah man. Yes, my viewers, the thing ready. See it? Yeah man, manpower with machine, do anything man. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers, for real. Yeah man, Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Yeah? Yeah man, it's all about chuck and chop. Alright, might sound away, but it's all about chuck and chop. Seeing? Seeing. Chuck and chop, my brother. Yeah man. What do you mean? Yeah man, carry me down the road and straighten him up. Yes, my viewers. It's all about Jamaican farmers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright? Peace. My name is Ever Slick and I'm out.